Prime Minister of Italy announced the country's surrender to coronavirus? The emergency they are experiencing has no bounds. It is an unprecedented shock to stem the negative effects produced on their social economy. Italy is most affected by the coronavirus, causing panic in the world. So, Italy is believed to have announced the surrender. The Prime Minister there says that we have no control, this infectious disease is killing us. 743 people died yesterday due to corona war, while 683 plus people have died today. There have been 7,503 deaths to date, while 5,210 plus new cases have been reported today. The coronavirus COVID-19 is affecting 196 countries and territories around the world, and Italy affected the most. Most infected cases in Italy. Italy's Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte has imposed more restrictions in the country. The non-essential businesses are completely closed, while the American country Cuba has set up a team of specialist doctors and nurses in Italy for the earliest treatment of patients. Italy is being provided medical aid from Russia as well as globally. Many countries have announced a curfew. No country has had so many deaths in one day from the coronavirus than Italy. According to a news report, the situation in Bergamo area of Lombardy, Italy has become so bad that the army had to call so that 65 coffins kept outside the church can be taken to the cemetery here. Italy's death toll is now the highest in the world at 10,023. Fatalities passed the grim milestone on Saturday, with an increase of 889 since the last figures were released on Friday, according to Italy's Civil Protection Agency. With 92,472 confirmed cases, Italy appears to have the highest death rate on the planet. Compare it to China, the epicenter of the pandemic, which has a roughly similar number of confirmed cases at 81,997, but under a third as many deaths, at 3,299, according to Johns Hopkins University in Medicine. When Antonia Mortensen was pulled over by police while driving recently in Milan, the northern Italian city where she is staying, it wasn't for a traffic offense. It was to instruct her fellow passenger to sit in the back of the car and to check that both were wearing face masks. "We were told we cannot both sit in the front," said the CNN journalist, who was on her way to hospital with her partner to visit a sick relative. "We have a special certificate giving us permission to go to the hospital," she said, adding that the relative does not have coronavirus.